Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another spotlight for you guys. This is gonna be a 2008 Tacoma sitting on a 3-inch lift, 33s, and some 17 by 8.5s. Now, before we hop into it, we are doing another full build giveaway. We're talking McGaughy suspension, axe wheels, and AM tires. All you guys gotta do is pick up a t-shirt and or this hoodie, because I'm wearing mine today because it's freezing out. customoffsets.com/giveaway. And in the famous words of Sean, because I miss him,
let's go.
Rollin' through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big in the windows black. Got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets, team stands as the team. We on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right, guys, so hopping into this 2008 Tacoma, in order to fit this wheel and tire package, we did have to stuff a 3-inch lift kit. So we got a 3-inch rough country lift on here. And then moving into the wheels, we got some 17 by 8.5 zero offset Kansei Rokus wrapped in the Nitto Ridge Grappler 33 12.5 R17. Now, this setup does rub a little bit. As you can see, it is really stuffed in there, but that's okay. She just can't full crank. Moving on, we do have the tint to match. So we matched the front windows to the rear windows. Lexi actually also picked up some steps to help her get up into her Tacoma. Moving on to the rear, the only thing that's done is the upgraded shocks, which are Rough Country's V2 shocks, and rear block as well to bump up the rear and to match everything out. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That is the start to Lexi's Tacoma. She does have future plans, so maybe we'll bring that to the channel. Definitely let us know down in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you guys need wheels, tires, or suspension, or accessories, we offer a ton of stuff on our website, customoffsets.com. We'll see you guys in the next one.